Hi guys and welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. So sa video na to, gawin po natin ang weekly horoscope para po sa may mga sun, moon at rising sign na Leo. And if you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button, bell notification, and give this video a like. Kung hindi nyo pa alam yung sun, moon at rising sign nyo, kasi importante to, sa dulo po ng video, meron po tayong link para dito. And the readings guys are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. Subscribe, like, and share kung bago po kayo pala. Ayan. So, sa mga naghahanap po ng private readings po and spellworks, pwede kayo mag-message sa ating Facebook page. The link is in the description below. Ang mga admins po natin ay tutulong po sa inyo. Kung gusto niyo po mag-send ng donation, pwede niyo pong gawin is i-click po yung ating thanks button sa baba, yung parang heart. And we also have our extended readings kung saan mas malalim na po ang ating mga readings sa ginagawa. Para magkaroon kayo ng access dito sa ibang exclusive videos and perks po, click nyo po yung join button. Okay, so Leo. Kamusta ka ba? So meron tayo ditong 3 of Swords tsaka Time to Go. Okay. So, kakantayin ko sana yung Born This Way. Kasi, it helps to provide that, instinct. You may part kasi doon ng lyrics, yung or on the right track and you are born this way. There's a lot of, actually, what I'm sensing ngayon pa sa unang dalawang cards mo pa lang, there's some sort of a Pluto energy. Now, Pluto is a planet of transformation kasi. It is associated to, or siya yung ruling planet ni Scorpio, and Scorpio is about death, transformation, and changes. So, there's a lot of changes going on. Ito yung nakakatuwa na pinapakita mong energy ngayon sa amin, Leo. Alam mo yung deadma theology na deadma ka dun sa sasabihin ng iba, deadma ka doon sa ano yung reaction ni ganto, yung kay ganyan. Andoon na hindi mo na siya masyadong hinahayaan na ma-absorb mo. Unlike before, na andoon na dadala ka doon, and andun din niya part na yung masyado ka nagiging in contrast before, masyado mo pine-pressure sarili mo sa mga iba't ibang bagay na kailangan by this age or bago tong araw na to or by this time, meron kang ganito, nagawa mo yung ganito, nandito ka na. Wag mo andun na nakita mo na you're too demanding sa sarili mo din. So, it's that you are transforming And andoon na nagsisimula ka to take to take things slowly but surely. At pinapakita rin dito na hindi ka na you're maturing. You're being better every single day. Pero what's crossing you right now? So we have here sa 7 of Wands, tsaka yung Between Worlds. Now, what I'm seeing here din kasi sa crossing mo is, of course, nagkakaroon ng transition. And in this transformation and in the transition, may mga talagang mas sabihin natin mababasag along the way. Kahit na sabihin natin, hinahandle natin to with care, may mga sabihin natin, mga questionin ka. Now, one of those is andoon na especially in terms ng mga pinaniniwalaan at pinanghahawakan, andoon na questionin mo tama pa bang i-cater ko to? Is it still good for me to have this? Mga ganong bagay. Andoon na pinapakita dito ng cards, then 7 of Wands and Between Worlds, na this transformation can both be beautiful and scary. It will be beautiful kasi may kita mo may idea ka na kung ano yung pwedeng maging end results. It's scary because andoon na in every transformation, there will always be some sort of pain, some sort may part na mawawala, may madadagdag, and ando na possible baka magulat na inisip mo, baka hindi mo na makilala yung sarili mo. That's not a problem kung hindi mo na makilala yung sarili mo because yun naman talaga yung purpose Kasi in the transformation that the universe is doing, you're being changed from this level to a better level of who you are. So, walang masama. Huwag ka matakot doon. So, you actually channel it to be something na beautiful and para sa buhay mo. Because I understand with your desire card na the Ten of Cups and co-create, simple naman gusto mo. You just want to be happy. Ganon kasimple yung gusto mo lang ngayon. Na parang, it's more on contentment. Mas matutunan mo pa paano makontento kung anong meron. While also starting to dream. Kumbaga, medyo contradicting, di ba? Kontento ka pero nangangarap ka pa rin. What the card is saying, and explain natin yung desire mo din, is andoon na matuto ka na to enjoy what you are being given today ng universe, then naglo-look forward ka din doon sa mga parating na ibibigay pa ng universe. So, andoon na happy ka kasi binigay sa'yo ngayon, nag-serve ng food, parang gano'n. Nag-serve una sabihin natin ng salad, masarap na sarap ka. Pero alam mo, may nagluluto na ng burger. Yan, gutumin ko sa sarili ko. May nagluluto ng burger. So, while you are enjoying the salad, andoon din, there is a form of excitement kasi may paparating na burger. At dahil dyan nagutom ako. So, andoon na, yun yung gano'n eh. Yun yung desire mo eh. To have that type of outlook sa buhay. And that changes na dala ng universe, that will be evident in the long run para sa'yo. Now, your foundation is the Seven of Swords and Never-Ending Story. Okay, so, in pursuit of, of knowledge din, yung karamihan sa inyo, and in pursuit of self-development, meron kayo parang nasimulan, hindi ko naman pwede siyang tawagin ningas ko, eh. Parang may mga nasimulan kayo, pero parang nawala yung interest along the way. Now, the universe needs you to also have that updated. Kumbaga, if you started one thing, huwag ka muna huwag ka muna mag-start ng iba. Just like yung food na kanina yung example natin, finish your first meal before you ask for the other one. Kasi yun yung point eh. You need to enjoy. You need to make sure na yung focus mo while you're learning, while you're doing this, will be undivided. Now, sa Seven of Swords, pinapakita rin dito na yung point na wag mong i-frustrate yung sarili mo na na kailangan ganito na, may alam ko lang, by this time, alam ko na to, listen to your intuition kung saan ka dadalhin ng universe. Listen to the instinct kung ano yung next na pinapagawa sa'yo. Hindi yung, andoon na minibigyan masyado ng limit yung sarili mo, ito lang. Because the universe has other plans. Para sa'yo, in terms of knowing and expanding yourself. Now, in terms of your past na prominent pa, meron tayo itong Ace of Cups tsaka Thinker. Yun nga. With the Ace of Cups kasi, I see here na merong mga disappointments in the past with certain people, certain individuals, group of people, na, alam mo yung, ang taas expectations mo eh. Ang taas nung tingin mo. Now, with the card of the Thinker, andoon na sinasabi ng cards na masyado mong tinaas eh. Although, I understand kasi nakita mo yung potential, nakita mo yung possibilities, nakita mo doon na, ay pwede, ay maganda to, ay okay to. Andoon na, yun yung yun yung nararamdaman mo, yun yung na-envision mo. Unfortunately, we have no control over sa mga tao. People can only, sabi nga sa movie na panood ko, dalawa lang yung pwede natin kontrolin. Iniisip natin at reaction natin. The rest, wala na tayong control. So, it's time that you let go of those disappointments. And siguro, andun yung point, although, part of the disappointment kasi na nagkaroon ka, is parang iba sa inyo na question, napakinggan pa ba yung mga prayers ko? Yung manifestations ko ba is talaga bang nangyayari? Take it as a blessing in disguise. There is a reason why it did not happen. Kasi the universe will not give you something that you ask for. Ang universe, may mga bagay na hindi siya ibibigay sa'yo because there is something better in store for you. Now, with your possible future na ikaw, we have your Six of Swords, tsaka si Breathe. Breathe ba? Breathe. Breathe pala. Ayan, number 29 si Breathe. Ayan, nakatuwa naman. Kasi, maybe this is about on the second phase or second half of this year. Kasi busy-busy din tayo ngayon di ba? You will be asking for some pahinga. Ayan. Some moment na medyo humiwalay muna sa mga nangyayari. And that is also valid kasi sabi nga nung boss ko, if you work hard, then you need to also party hard, Iro. Kasi hindi naman sa lahat ng ang buhay mo kapag we're no, sabi, I think yung convo namin noon, pag nawala ka na sa mundong ito, hindi ka naman maalala na, ay, never na-date yan sa work, or, ay, mataas ang quality niya, maganda yung output ng work niya, siya yung nag-improve ng process na ganito. No, you will be remembered as an individual, as a person, na, ay, si Iro, siya yung and how you touch other people's lives. Si Iro, siya yung ganito, yung friend ko, siya yung yun yung bagay na kailangan, yun yung bagay na yun. And this is something that you will also want to remember, to be remembered So, andoon na bibigyan mo ng panahon yung mga tao at bagay na importante sa'yo. But for now, marami ka munang kailangan gawin. So, medyo hihintayin pa natin to on the latter part of this year. So guys, kung naka-resonate kayo sa readings po, we have our extended readings para ma-access nyo po ito kasi mas detailed na po yung mga readings natin dito. Para ma-access nyo and to also have additional perks and benefits, i-click nyo agad po yung join button sa baba and choose a membership level. Tuloy natin yung readings po. Now, for your physical environment, we have here the Six of Pentacles and flexibility. Ito na nga. Well, alam mo yung tipong no is no. Tama yung ginagawa mo. Pero andito rin kasi na wag kang wag mong yung tipong yung tipong pangit ng term ko pero yun ang naisip ko. Yung tipong parinig para may mag-react ng mga tao, either positive or negative. If you need to really say it to them directly, ito gawin mo na talaga. If you hindi ka komportable doon sa tao o sa sitwasyon, sabihin mo kung hindi mo kaya ang isang bagay, diretsuhin mo na sabihin mo na, I can't. Hindi pwede. Kasi andun yung point na the universe is transitioning you to be a little bit directive. So with the Pluto energy of Pluto, doon na ginagawa ka na parang Scorpio. Pasmado magsalita. Ganon. Binibigyan ka ng ganong energy because this is also needed. Para andun yung point na, well, in the past kasi din, nakikita ko that there are people who abused you for your kindness. And alam mo yung tipo kasi yung before, medyo ang dami sa inyo, nahihirapan na magsabi ng you cannot, hindi pwede. Andoon na, ang dami sa inyo, ang madalas, naiipit sa sitwasyon. This time, the universe, hindi niya gusto na pinagdadaanan mo yon. Hindi niya gusto nararamdaman mo yung mga bagay na yon. So, eto na yon. No is a no. Matututo ka ng talagang mangbara na you will say, no, hindi pwede, ganyan, ganyan. Andoon na yung mga pinanghahawakan mo, and if it's necessary to protect yung pag-no mo is to protect your inner peace, ay, gagawin mo talaga. Hindi ka magdadalawang isip na i-blunt na, this is okay, stop, no. Good job, Leo. Now, your emotional environment, we have here the Seven of Cups and the Higher Power. Now, hindi naman para sa lahat to, but there are some of you who are confused in terms of a certain individual or a group, a certain individual. Hindi ko ma-describe na maayos So, either confused ka, kasi hindi mo alam ano yung gusto ng tao. O confused ka kasi hindi mo alam kung ano yung nararamdaman mo sa tao. Yung parang pinakamagandang description siguro, narinig ko lang siya sa isang movie, sa kay Percy Jackson yata. Sabi ng isang character doon, si Annabeth yata yung pangalan niya, na sabi niya doon kay Percy, meron akong strong emotions para sa'yo. Pero hindi pa ako makapag-decide kung good or bad yung emotions na yon. May mga iba sa inyo in the house of Leo, you have this strong feeling towards an individual, pero hindi nyo alam kung ano pa talaga to. And andoon na nagkakaroon kayo ng confusion at that point. Now, with the card of the higher power, sinasabi dito, why mo kailangan pahirapan yung sarili mo doon sa naalamin kung ano yung bagay na yun. When in fact, pwede mo naman tanungin ng universe. Diba? The universe knows it all. Siya nga gumagawa ng manifestation. Of course, alam din niya kung ano yung mga bagay-bagay na to. So, it's time that you ask. If you need to ask for a sign, be more specific with the sign and be realistic din naman, ha? Kasi may mga iba sa inyo, Diyos ko, kakaloka yung mga signs sa hinihingi nyo. Medyo makatao tayo sa paghingi ng sign. But this is one thing I understand. The connection or that emotion you are feeling towards this person can be special. Now, yung hopes and fears mo is the Ace of Wands and Imagine. Okay. In connection to doon sa emotion environment mo, the Ace of Wands is saying kasi this is a passion eh. So, kaya nga nabanggit ko, the connection can be special. Kasi the connection is, can be, it's unique. Pero with the card of Imagine kasi, andoon na may certain fear ka din na paano kung hindi maintindihan ng mga tao sa paligid mo yung nararamdaman mong yun. Paano kung hindi matanggap o i-judge ka, which is very normal. Lahat naman ng tao sa mundo, sino bang hindi mahilig manghusga? Sino bang lahat naman tayo may certain degree ng pagkakaintindi. Pero yun nga yung maganda doon. Those individuals who will try to understand you, makikinig sa reasons mo. Kasi yung reason mo, to be honest, is valid on your end eh. And they will also understand you from your perspective. At kahit hindi nila gusto is tatanggapin ka pa rin nila dahil nakikita naman nila masaya ka or hindi ka naman nasasaktan, wala ka naman nilalabag na batas, hindi ka naman nakasakit na ibang tao. Those are the individuals na for keeps mo talaga. So, andoon na your hope is actually more understanding on certain individuals eh. And siguro andun yung point na you just need someone na makikinig sa'yo at andun yung point na kapag hindi mo kaya, pwede ka sumandal. Now, your possible future, we have here the World and Clean It Up. You know what? With the energy talaga ng Pluto, you can expect major changes, especially in the field of your relationships. Kaya sabi relationships kasi wag natin i-constrain to sa jowa lang. Wag tayo pag sabi relationships, all types of relationships. Andoon na talagang babaguhin ng yun, talaga magkakaroon ng 360 turn around sa mga bagay-bagay. Na akala mo dati ito na yung facet na yon. Pero what the card are saying is bibigyan ka pa ng ibang venue para magkaroon ka ng dagdag na kaalaman and also to realize that the world is a bigger place, that there are more things na hindi pa na-discover that this time the universe wants you to discover. So I hope nakatulong yung readings and those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. Kung bago kayo, subscribe, like, and share. And we have already yung cards natin para sa yung bumunta tayo para sa yung extended readings. To know your extended readings and get additional benefits as well, i-click mo yung join button sa baba. For schedules of private readings sa Spellworks, message po kami sa aming Facebook page. The link is in the description below and our admins will help you. At for donations, you can use the thanks button, yung heart sa baba. Leo, maraming salamat. God bless. Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be. And hope to see you in our extended reading. Mula po dito sa Baguio in Dominican Hill, you have a great day and I'll see you very soon.